Okay. 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 So whenever they retrieve those passwords immediately before that activity, only they will inform to CyberArk team. So at that change time period, our CyberArk team will also be available. So once the retrieve happened and they have completed their activity, immediately CyberArk team will rotate that back passwords. Then once we rotate that password, then no one will know that password. New password. So again, if they retrieve any time means, if they retrieve, then audit team will check that activity every day or every week, like that. So then, immediately, they will raise a question to that SAP team. So you have retrieved the password and password rotation not happened. Why? What is the change number? All those monitoring kind of stuff you know right here. You said that the moment I was trying to say like connect any one of the accounts, right? It did prompt me for a reason. Yeah, something like this. So even for connect. How do we enable it? Is it again on the platform level itself? No, masterful. I will cover one. I will complete. Simple thing. Above you have a require. You just to specify region for access. Right. Last one in this. Okay, so here it is active, only but it is not asking for connect right. Click on Edit Settings. Click on Edit Settings. Require you to specify region for access. But it is only asking for retrieve, not for connect. Okay, we see that. Once we enable the N4 checking, the exclusive access. Yeah, I will go through. Basically, you were activated by users to specify region for both. And the connect also means we lost for both. We'll see that. Okay. Okay, so next one is a record and system. So this policy is active by default. So in case, if it is active, then session recordings will not be ordered and those sessions will not be stored in the world. So in case, if you don't want to store any record, any specific platforms, then you need to put those platforms in exception. That's it. Put those platforms in exception and select inactive. Then for that particular platform, when a user connected to any target, then those recordings will not be record and session activity record and save session activity. In case, if you don't want to record any specific accounts, then you need to put that platform in exception and select inactive. Then those accounts connections will not be recorded and will not be stored in the world. So adding exception is again on the platform level itself. So in master policy you need to put exceptions only for platforms. So under master, any exception you can put for platform source. Right, get that. Okay. Yeah. Next, password management. So under password management you have two policies. One is required. Password change every 7 access. The value is 90 and required password verification. Every access value is 7. So password change will be happen on all the accounts for every 90 days. But at platform level you have a value, head start interval 5. So 90 minus 5 for every 85 days. Passwords need to be changed automatically by the CPM for all the accounts, in case, if the connection is successful and there is no issues. In case, if there is any issues, then that password change will be failed and you can see those accounts under failed accounts, that red color. So the password will be changed automatically or have the user will change itself after 90 days. The password will be changed automatically by the CPM. So how it's going to be? So like the password got changed. So do we get any notification? Yes. Sort of the chain has specific services. If the password change got failed, then you will get email notification in case if you configure SMTP. Okay, password change got successful. Then there in case, if the password change got successful, then we will not get any notification. Just in case, if you want to see when the password has rotated or whether the password change has successful or not, just go to that specific account. And if you click on versions, you can see all the versions and the date when it got changed. Okay, so this password policy is like example of 90 days. The password has changed. So what algorithm do we know? Any idea how this password get changed and in which algorithms it's following and what standards? So the PSM for the PSM security. It's the CPM. Yeah. CPM. Yeah. Yeah. So yesterday I told you right, using some WMA commands, CPM will do this, password change or password verification. So using that command, CPM will log in target or CPM will initiate this password change or verification process. What are the ports? For Windows 139, 445. So basically, Cyberark recommends to use 135, 139, 445. But in organization 135 is a secured port, so this network team will deny to allow that port. Okay. So in case if you have 139 and 445 open from CPM to Windows targets, those are enough for rotating the passwords in the right for Linux and Unix 22 like that. In case, if you want to rotate a directory, accounts passwords are some databases. Again, 1521 is the database port number for writing correctly and for SQL, again different port number. Like that. No need to store all these things. If you want, I will provide the link. So there we have a specific table, okay. 139 and 445. Open for the Unix 22. So, in case, if you want to change this value to some 10 days or 5 days, just click on Edit Settings and you need to update that value and save and close. That's it.